Hey, I'm Michael, and welcome to Gap City Squad. This video today is to help you replace your brake pads. Now, those of you who are new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment for questions. Hit me up on my Instagram right there. And let's get to it. This video is specific to front brake pads, but I'm sure it would work on the back too. This is the car I will be replacing the front brake pads on. Not a Camaro, and not a Catfish. It's actually just a Geo Storm GSI. And that is a pig. Now, an absolute must when replacing brakes. You must need brake pads. And a car. Or an SUV. Or anything that requires brakes. Now, the tools that you are going to need. Tools are a tire iron, a car jack, a place to apply your knees. Gotta take off this frisbee. And the first thing, gotta loosen these lug nuts up. Holy moly, that was hard. Had to get my buddy to do it for me. I'm too cold. But now that those are loose, we can jack up the car. Now, we made it to the part we're all here for. The brake pads. This car's been sitting a while, so those are getting some color. But nothing left of the brake pads. So that is why we are replacing them. Just to make things a little easier. If any of your brake lines are held up, make sure to loosen them up so that they don't break, tear, rip, or puncture anything. So this one has a clip. We're just gonna pop that off. Work for me, baby. Work for me. It's not working for me. Okay, I got it. Just pop that out of there. And then we'll start on the next thing. So if you're just removing the brakes, guys, I would just recommend dropping this part down, not the whole brake caliper, because we're not replacing the rotors, just replacing the brake pads. So we're going to start off by removing this section. We're just going to take that bolt out and loosen the one under it. And then this should just fall down. Broke it loose, so it's nice and loose. Just remove this one completely. And if you loosen the bottom one, it should just pop back. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you why I do this. This is for you guys, so please like, share, and subscribe. I'm about to show you something crazy. I pull the brake caliper back, and this is what falls out. Okay, this is just like in the brakes. There's nothing left of the brakes. This one's bare metal. It's freaking crazy. Well, that's why I'm here, guys. So I'm gonna continue with replacing these, and hopefully it all goes smooth. Box of brakes. Totally tell there's an obvious difference here. Wow. And this one's bare metal. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. The next thing on the list is gonna be loosening this and bleeding some brake fluid out of there. And then you want to take one of these to compress that. Look at that, all decompressed. Now just take that bad boy off. It should stay like that. And then we'll start inserting the brake pads. Now just insert your brake pads. Pretty simple. On both sides. Shabam! Shabam! Look at that. Now let's just put this bad boy back on there. Okay, I gotta do this off camera. One hand, it's pretty hard. I'll time lapse this. Just tighten these bad boys up. That's the wrong way. God damn it. And voila. It is done. Now, you're gonna want to fill up your brake fluid reservoir and bleed your brakes. Now make sure to pump your brakes till they're nice and stiff. I'm not shitting. I mean, I'm not farting, I promise. Just demonstrating how hard you gotta push. God, that face is ugly. Now slap your tire back on there and take her for a spin. And just like that, it is done. It's like a 15-minute job if everything goes well. And, you know, you got all the right tools. And you're not recording. So it takes about 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. For those of you who are new, please give this video a like, share, go look at all my other videos. There's a bunch, it's not just how-tos and stuff. And subscribe. Yeah. And thanks for watching.